Hey, what's up, folks? Mike's here again. Two mics. And we're going to talk to you real quick about cloth diapers versus disposable diapers. I spent a moment in the last video kind of rambling about it, and I want to give you a better explanation of what exactly I was talking about. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe to our channel and drop a comment below what you'd like to know about next, and I'll do my best to make it happen. Also, watch this intro. All right, so let's break it down real quick. Disposable versus cloth diaper. Disposable diapers are something we all know about very simply. So I want to break that to you real quick, and then we're gonna go to the cloth diapers. So disposable diapers are exactly what they sound. Baby pees, baby poops, you throw them away. What I like about them is that disposable diapers absorb the moisture, removing the urine, at least the wet feeling away from the baby, allowing the baby to sleep more peacefully at night. Ball sleeps in a disposable diaper so he can sleep peacefully throughout the night. Cloth diapers make him feel the pee, but we'll get to that in a second. With disposable diapers, that food additives in there swells up, turns things blue, and then that's just the liquid. The way this works is it just absorbs it, removes away from the baby's private parts so the baby doesn't feel uncomfortable and just, uneasy. A friend of mine, her sister said she would leave her kid in disposables, I think 6 to 10 hours a day. That's disgusting. That's gross. This little girl probably is going to have a urinary tract infection or something at some point, because that's a lot of pee and a lot of poop that's just sitting caked up on this very delicate area. So disposable diapers, amazing job at what they do. I think they're really good at last minute things, special situation things. If you're out of cloth diapers, this is a really great alternative. And a lot of people just like them because you take them, throw them away, keep it moving. There's no waste or anything. It does have an effect on the environment, but no one really thinks about that, so whatever. Now, when it comes to cloth diapers, that's our preferred method. That's what we use here. That's what Boss is currently sitting in now, and that's how we like to move. Buddy, what did you do to my eye? Oh, my goodness. Sorry about that. So, cloth diapers. Thanks, buddy. All right, so cloth diapers are exactly what they sound like. They're diapers made of cloth, cotton. Ours have a cotton interior with a charcoal bamboo fiber interior. Charcoal bamboo fiber. Charcoal bamboo fiber inserts. You done? Okay. They have a charcoal bamboo fiber inserts. These inserts are what really absorb the moisture and keep it away. So here's the thing, when it comes to cloth diapers, is the moisture doesn't really make its way away from the baby. It is cotton. It does get damp, and the baby does indeed feel the moisture. So the thing about that is the baby is going to become irritated if the diaper is dirty and fussy. So if you're looking to have your baby in a diaper for 6 to 10 hours, cloth diapers are not the bet for you. But if you're looking to potty train your baby a lot faster, because in a lot of countries, their babies are potty trained by the age of 1. But usually in the United States, our kids are potty trained by the age of 3 or 4, because disposable diapers make it more comfortable for them to just live in them. Cloth diapers are really uncomfortable because you got pee touching your cock. No one wants that. All right, so you want to get that off really quickly. You want to change it out, and you want to make sure you're, clean and dry. So cloth diapers are amazing for that purpose. The reason why we prefer cloth diapers is just for that reason. We want Boss to be potty trained by 1. So he'll be 1 in a couple of days. Yeah, he'll be 1 in a couple of days. And we want to make sure that he is able to go to the potty, let us know when he needs to go to the bathroom, because he doesn't like the feeling of his own penis being wet and soaked, which I completely understand. So we want to make sure that's the case. So if you're using a cloth diaper, you just have to have a bunch of them on set. You have to have a bunch of them ready to go. Now, the biggest question people like to ask is how clean are they? How do you sanitize them? All this other stuff, and that's a very understandable concern. All you gotta do is throw them in the washing machine. Our washing machine, we have 2 washing machines. One of them has a sanitized setting, one does not. The one that has a sanitized setting, we just throw it on sanitized, which is just hot, and it uses steam. Throw in the baby safe, detergent, And there you go. Let it do its thing. It runs for about 2 hours, I'm guessing. Then throw it into the dryer. The dryer also has a sanitized setting. And boom, clean as a whistle. You would never even know. There's also, the other one does not have a sanitized setting, but it does have heavy duty. So heavy duty, hot, extra rinse, or whatever it may be, all the settings. So it does about 2 hours for washing. And then with the dryer, throw it in the dryer on the heavy duty setting, make sure it's extra dry, and go from there. And it's literally, we've had no issues with them. We had no problems. Some people like to wash their cloth diapers twice just to make sure they're extra clean. I see no need for that if your wash machine is of a newer quality that has a heavy duty setting or a sanitized setting. But if you want to, double it up, you're more than welcome to. That's your money. Yeah, I mean, it's really not much to these things with the cloth diapers and the disposable diapers. There's really not much to them. It just depends on what makes you feel the most comfortable. Like I said, we use both interchangeably. Boss, during the day when he's awake, is always in cloth diapers. When he's sleeping at night, are disposable so Chris can get a better night's sleep. You may be wondering, why does Chris get a better night's sleep? Not just me. I don't wake up when this kid cries. So he's laid next to me in bed, next to my ear, crying. I haven't heard it. I'm not going to hear it. I don't. It's unfortunate. I feel bad for Chris, but it's just, So, hopefully that was beneficial to you. Hopefully you learned something about cloth diapers and disposable diapers. Let me know in the comments how many times I've said both of those words. I'm sure I've said them way too much for this whole video. But they're very simple, very chill. Also, as you all know, I'm recording this video around coronavirus season in 2020. So if you're watching this video, in the future for some reason, just know around this time frame, stores were selling out of diapers. They were selling out of diapers, soap, hand sanitizer, stuff like that. But we have cloth diapers. We use cloth diapers, and we also sell cloth diapers. So we're not going to run out at all. This kid's always going to have a freshly clean butt ready to go because we have soap and we have hand sanitizer. We have soap. We have hand wash soap, and we have cloth diapers to make sure he's good to go. We also use bidets. That was in another video I did. I'm going to link that up in the icon thingy up here. With the bidet, we don't need any toilet paper. So we're just a ready to go family. And I think you should invest in at least one of those things. If it's going to be cloth diapers, we have them. So you get some around 1-pack, 2-pack, 3-pack, whatever. But let me get this kid on some toys because he seems to really want to play around, and I kind of want to play too. So subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below what you'd like to see next, and I really hope this is beneficial to you in some way, shape, or form. And I wish you the best of luck. All right? See ya. All right, buddy. Want to say bye? No? No? All right. See ya.